What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Teespring to sell shirts because Big Fluffy Sheep wants to know how. Yay! So the first thing you want to do is go onto teespring.com. It's pretty simple. It should sort of look like this. And yeah, then you want to click login button at the top. So once you log in, there should be a screen with this on it. It shouldn't just look like this, but there should be that on it. Then there should be a start designing button on it. So then you want to click on start designing. That's what you need. So yeah. So then it should bring you to this page with all the things you can make with the shirts and stuff and all of that, right? So then you want to click on the one you want to design. I would recommend the t-shirt. It's pretty t-shirt-y. Okay, so once you've done that, then you would want to choose the one you want. I'll just choose this one, then click sell, and then it should let you design it. I'll show you my finished design because it does take a while sometimes to make them. So yeah. So this is what mine looks like. Then what you want to do is click on the 3 dashes in that red circle at the bottom. So then you want to click on set your price. Then set this to whatever price you want. You could even have like 1,000, but I wouldn't recommend to put it at 1,000. And I'll do it for the euro as well. But yeah. So then you'll want to click on that. Okay, then you want to click on the next button. Then it should bring you to here. And then you can select multiple designs for it. You can select the different styles you want for it and stuff like that. Then, yeah. I'll also do it here. Wait, it won't let me select it. What? It's not loading. That's why. Really? Come on. Okay, fine. So let me load it in. Wait. Okay. Please. No. I'm just gonna have this, as not many people would get it, because it's kind of just for demonstration purposes. Okay, I'm not gonna have that either. I'm just gonna have those two, I think. So then you want to click on the 3 dashes again with the red circle around it, and then click continue. Then it should bring you here, and yeah. And it should have all your listings and stuff like that. Oh my, oopsies. So, then you'll want to click on the 3 dashes again, then click on title, and then you can name your design. I'll just name it Mr. Bristol Leg Error. Okay. So, I don't think you have to have a description. So, then you... Oh, yeah, then you can make the visibility public or not public. So, I'm going to name the description Mr. Bristoleg got an error. Okay, good. Okay. So then you can click continue again. Then it should be preparing all your listings. And then it should bring you to here. So that means you've basically done the tutorial correctly. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please smash that like button. And if you still need help, tell me what went wrong in the comments, and I'll try and help you the best I can. Thank you so much for watching. Mr. Bristolek here, signing off. See you in the next video. Peace.